Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to buy Bitcoin on Kraken. Here's how to quickly buy Bitcoin on Kraken in under a minute. First, go to kraken.com, sign up, just enter your email, create a strong password, and verify your account through email. Once you're logged in, head to the Funding tab, choose your preferred deposit method like bank transfer or crypto, follow the instructions to fund your account. After that, go to the trade section, select buy, choose Bitcoin, and enter the amount you want to purchase. You can enter it in BTC or your local currency. Kraken will handle the conversion. Double check the order details, then click submit order. That's it. Your Bitcoin will now show up in your Kraken account. And don't forget, enable two-factor authentication to keep your account secure. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.